What's the meaning of acidulous? Acidulous. 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 The word acidulous refers to something that has a slightly acidic taste or quality. When describing a food or drink, an acidulous flavor might be tart or tangy, but not overwhelmingly sour. In terms of personality, an acidulous individual might have a sharp tongue or wit that cuts through conversations. Acidulousness can also refer to a sour or bitter attitude or disposition. Overall, the term acidulous suggests a degree of acidity or sharpness, whether in taste or behavior, without being overly extreme.